everyone. Today we are doing Electronic Playgrounds experiment number 3, Resistors in a Series. So in order to do this, we're going to need to connect, and don't worry, as in other ones I'll show you a top version of this, but we're going to connect 27 to 56. So 27 is right here, 56 is right there. We're essentially connecting, what we're doing is we're connecting the battery to the switch. Your battery should already be in place. If you haven't put it in, you need to put it in, because otherwise none of this is going to work. Okay. Alright. We're going to connect 55 to 42. So 55 is right here, and we're connecting it to 42, which is over here. It's one of the resistors. So, connecting the switch to one of the resistance. We're connecting it actually to the 3.3K resistor. It's kind of like anatomy, you know. Your wrist bone is connected to, well, I don't know my anatomy that well, at least not the bones, but it seems to be the same thing with electronics. Okay. Okay. Next, we're connecting 43 to 51. 43 is also the right side of the 3.3K resistor, and we're connecting it to 51, which is the 100K resistor. So we'll use a small one for that. 43. Come on, get in there. To 51. Okay, and then we're connecting 52 to 3. 52 is also the right side of the 100K resistor, and we're going to be connecting it to 3 up here, which is to control the LED light. So, okay. And then finally, we're doing 4 to 26. So we're connecting the LED 2 light 4 here to 52. Wait, I got something wrong here. Okay, 52 to 3. Oh, 4 to 26. I'm sorry, folks. Okay, so we're connecting 4 to 26. Okay, so we're connecting 4 to 26. Where's 26? Oh, to the other battery. Okay. So, can I do that with the red one? Yeah, I think so. Okay. So I'm going to show you a top version of this. Okay, so this is what it should look like. 27 to 56. So 27 to 56. 55 to 42. 43 to 51, 52 to 3, and 4 to 26. Okay, folks, So I'm going to turn on the switch and keep an eye on that second LED up there. Okay, can you see it? It's very dim. Now, so what this experiment is essentially talking about, is that we have two resistors here. They're resistors in a series. Now, when you have several resistors working together, then the amount of resistance that they're applying to the current, you add them up. So let's say you've got, you've got a 2K resistor and you've got a 1K resistor working together. Then the amount of resistance is 3K. Now in this case, we have a 100K resistor and a 3.3K resistor controlling it, or working together. Now the 100K, it's always the resistor with the largest number that's doing the controlling of the current. So in this case, the 100K is controlling. The 100K is what they call the high resistor, and the 3.3K is the low resistor. And, of course, and the amount of resistance that's, the total resistance on the current is 103.3K. And how did we get that number? Because we add the 100K resistor to the 3.3K, you get 103.3. Okay, so the next part of the experiment, we're going to disconnect the wires from the 100K resistor, and we're going to connect them to the 10K resistor. So we're disconnecting 51, and we're going to connect it to 44. Come on, folks. Okay, and we're going to disconnect 52 and connect it to the 45. Come on. Now, so the 10K, we no longer have the 100K resistor connected. Now we've got the 3.3 and 10K working together. Now the 10K now is the high resistor. The 3.3K is still the low resistor. We have a total resistance of, what do you think? 13.3K, because we're adding 10K to 3.3. Okay, so now there's lower resistance, and the 10K is the one is in control. So what do you think the light's gonna be like now? Well, let's see. And lo and behold, it's a little brighter because there's less resistance to the current, because we've switched the 100K, which was a much more powerful, resistor, and switched it for a lower amount, resistor. So it's brighter now. Now we're going to disconnect the wires again and we're going to take them out of the 10K. So we're going to remove the wire out of 44, and we're going to connect it to the 1K resistor, which is, so I'm removing 44 and putting it into 40. And then I'm going to remove the wire in 45, which is connected to the 10K resistor, and I'm going to put it into coil 41, which is the right side of the 1K resistor. So now we still have two resistors working together. We've got a 3K, the 3.3K and the 1K working. Which is the high resistor? Well, it's the 3.3K now. He's the big guy on campus now that because the other resistor, which is now the low resistor, is only a 1K, and it's a total of 4.3K resistance. You know, when you add those two, there's 4.3 K resistance acting on the current, so that's the lowest amount we've had, so the light should be even brighter than it was before. So let's test that. I don't know. Does it seem to you? I don't know. To me, it kind of looks a little about the same. But let me see if I'm wrong about that. Oh no, I was wrong about that. I've reattached it to the 10K, and that's that. So yeah, there is a definite difference between the two. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos.